The Google Pixel 2 is here to prove that two rear cameras aren't always better than one on a phone, especially if you favor photo quality over the latest all-screen designs. We have the picture proof below. It's Google's superior software that pushes this Android Aria phone to snap the best-looking pictures we've seen, topping the camera on last year's impressive Pixel and Pixel XL debut. What's more, this year's upgrade is faster, water-resistant and adds a new way to call up the Google Assistant. Simply squeeze the phone's sides to launch your new AI buddy. It sounds like a gimmick, but it's easier than accidentally hitting another Bixby button. The Pixel 2, with its 5-inch screen, doesn't look like the future of smartphones, except for its lack of a 3.5mm headphone jack. You're going to want a pair of our best Bluetooth headphones for this one. Unlike the Pixel 2 XL, which has an edge-to-edge 6-inch display and tall 18:9 aspect ratio, the Pixel 2 is bezel-heavy. Of course, we now know it has more vibrant colors and no signs, yet, of screen burn-in problems like its larger counterpart. Depending on how the XL screen performs in the long run, the Pixel may actually be a case of better small than sorry. The bezels won't bother you if you want a phone that's a great size, runs smart software and has a fantastic camera that will make your friends, even your Samsung-owning friends, jealous. The Pixel 2 is for people who favor functionality over fashion. The Google Pixel 2 price didn't increase year over year, so like its dated design, it isn't keeping up with the competition. This is surprising for a phone announced on October 4th, and a release date of October 19th. It costs $649/£629/$0.1,079 for the 64GB version, and $749/$729/$0.1,229 for the 128GB configuration. In the US, this phone is sold on contract through Verizon only among carriers, but worry not. Ordering it from the Google Store will mean it works on all networks, including AT&T, T-Mobile, and Sprint. For a limited time you can get a free Google Home Mini with your purchase of the new Pixel 2 if you're in the US, UK, Australia, Canada or Germany. However, expect long wait times, especially for the delayed white version of the phone. The Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL have the same camera, and our very own Cameron Faulkner had both on his honeymoon to give us example of photos people take outside of a testing lab. Check out some of the shots below, then continue to read out review.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night.